In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Digimon Storytime Stranger on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over how you can purchase Digimon Storytime Stranger and play on an Xbox console. If you visit the official website, you can see the game here and the platforms that it is available on. As you can see, it is only available on new-gen Xbox consoles, so Xbox Series X or S. It is not available for old-gen consoles, including the Xbox One. So if you have an Xbox One, sadly, you will not be able to play this game unless it is available on xCloud. So regardless, to actually purchase the game, if you want to play it on a new-gen Xbox console, visit the official website, or you can follow along directly through the Microsoft Store on your console. When you go to the Microsoft Store, look for Digimon. And the first result to pop up should be Storytime Stranger, or rather Survive here. Either way, just find Storytime Stranger and select it. Now, this game actually has a demo, so as you probably noticed in your results, there is an option to download the free demo. If you don't want to commit to a purchase quite yet, you can use this demo to play the opening chapter and see if you enjoy. Afterwards, you will have three editions of the game itself. You will have the base one that costs $69.99 off sale. You have the deluxe edition at $99.99 and the ultimate edition at $119.99. So choose any of these editions. The deluxe and ultimate editions are going to include extra goodies, so costume sets and the season pass. Browse through these and select the one that you prefer. And you can purchase the game and play on any new-gen Xbox console. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing because as you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.